Hi guys, how can you create a crosshatch painting effect in Photoshop? First, make a copy of your background layer by pressing Ctrl-J. Now go to Filter Gallery. Open Brush Strokes and select Crosshatch. Adjust the settings the way you like, increase stroke length, sharpness, or strength to get a stronger painting look. Zoom in and you'll see the effect clearly. Here is the before and here is the after. The crosshatch effect has been successfully applied. Thank you for watching.